Check 1 2.
Yep, seen it.
Boo 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 boo.
But that might go like a little cubey dog them.
What kind of that?
Cubey. You gotta go puppy man every now.
So today we're gonna be eating some Excelsior water crackers. You know, the tough Jamaican crackers, the one where you need a whole heap of water for. I think that's why I call it Excelsior water crackers, because you need water to eat it.
They're gonna need water.
Exactly. So
Are you drink the water first?
here's the competition. We have no water to drink, but no drinks, no liquid. All we're having is the Excelsior water crackers. Listen, we're gonna see who can eat the most crackers win the competition, right? So I have here Dunks, we got Rochelle, say hello.
Hello.
Money virus.
Funny virus.
So
Yes.
15 minutes, who can eat the most crackers in 15 minutes without having to drink
nothing.
any liquid at all?
Not
wins.
even a survivor. You know.
Survivor.
So live. I put that caption.
Not even a survivor. So comment below and tell me who you think is gonna be able to eat this,
The most.
the most of this
The
in
most
15 minutes.
crackers, yeah, the most Excelsior crackers in a 15
So
minutes.
2 packs.
Yeah,
We have more, man. We have more.
I just warm up before the contest, you know.
Oh yeah.
The team is nice.
Right now, my belly's full.
People, if you don't want to win, bet on the winner.
Alright.
Right now, my belly's full, so I don't really know. But
Everybody bet is full.
these are.
Sean just have something to eat. Rocheline have something to eat. Me just eat 2 corned dumpling and tin mackerel. So, right about now, my belly kind of full, but me know say this is ABC for me.
ABC, simple maths. Alright. Hold on, we are drink.
This contest no start. Me have keep my throat greasy highly. So, me not eat no swallow. Me a swallow them.
Alright, so out of 10 crackers, who can eat the most in 15 minutes?
Listen, me have me look up. When I call this again?
Toothpick.
Toothpick.
Yeah.
Because I have a space between my 2 teeth. So anything I eat it land right there. So I have to keep it clean so I could drive freely. Alright?
Alright.
Ain't you ready? I'm going to kickstart. I'm going to warm up.
I Google 15-minute timer.
Okay, 15 minutes.
Alright.
Now.
Starting now.
Come on, man. I warm up. You see? So then start now. Watch Tiger now.
No, sir. I should I drink something first? Warm up my throat too. This is so dry.
I already know this is a bad idea.
I think the trick is if I do it and toward the saliva.
This is a bad idea. Nothing more is not good.
No, every time I'm supposed to say, I never.
Yeah, see for the mayonnaise, they put their pocket. Right, sorry, so drop the nine pocket.
Everything for gonna have more than so much the food. I know one can go down.
Actually, after the first one, it's not so bad no more, but
You got more than one? Guys, I still think I'm gonna win.
Guys, my belly full.
The race is not for the swift.
Next time I 4 we have up. I'm ready for a time.
I ain't ready.
You might add them in their pocket.
You know what me out. Oh yeah, I'm good.
Oh no. Alright, I only have 6 left. Can do this.
Got 7 minutes, you know.
Step 7.
Me too.
Oh no. You make more saliva on it.
I'm back to my come back.
Left it cracker.
Open for yourself. Me have 6 as well now. Open as well.
Oh, yeah, I said that's
No.
They never come good.
No, 6 and
They
there.
never come good.
Me 3, yeah, I observe
No,
4.
I do hear you.
Me I joke they do me, yeah. You see what I do to them? That's not for me. You must be mad. Me check for me and then me check Sean. And me tell me say me have 6
Yeah,
plus.
but check good.
You tell me story that I feel you put it here.
No. Yeah, man, this not bad, man.
Wanna confess, no confess. The very first time. I feel nothing.
More, man. Give up.
This is all in Papa. Let's start swearing and try.
Listen, guys. Don't try this at home.
No more tired.
Mama,
Go. What I need?
this is so hard.
I just 10 minutes, just 5 minutes.
Virus is bleeding.
No mackerel, no sardine, nothing for this. Cheese.
Need some tea. It needs some caramel porridge. It needs some tea.
Every morning, we call it on fry. Every morning.
Every morning.
You eat crackers
Every
and
morning.
What kind of porridge?
Peanut, oats, and caramel mixed together.
Nice.
Every morning.
Say you skill upon the crackers then, man.
Then soak, soft,
First team.
Short time, baby, still.
Can't beat him.
You see, I do well one time.
Hey, me just belch, you know.
That means
Me belly full.
for your belly to lose.
No, my jaw tired.
Go.
And 8 minutes left, you know.
Alright, I'll distract virus, I'll try distract you.
No more, I'm tired.
But we're up on the road right now, like shot.
I walk on, that's the crackers going.
What's down?
Wait, you only have
What?
I'm not okay.
Alright, so it's clear that I'm the winner. I have 6 left, and we have 6 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock.
1 minute.
Sean has 1 left, and Varus has 1 left. The last one this.
So, like, no.
Alright, Varus,
Yeah,
who's
dead.
gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's that? Like, I just tapped out, you know, I can't go that. I can't go no more.
You draw.
Sis, right now I feel like it's a black
You draw.
Right now I feel like it's a black cartridge.
Sean, alright, machine push down the one that I'm on.
You know more than that. Most of my
Maybe.
My name now, but I'm trying now. I've given up, cause you want some of my saliva?
Draw.
Ready? Come, who first open their mouth and say, with no, no, with no crackers inside. Ready? Alright, man.
No pepper, no biscuit.
Alright, man. Hurry up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
all me I say is don't try this at home.
No, you still have too much things on your mouth. Turn to the camera, say camera.
Ahí go. No te hagas moto. Ahí go.
Let me see your mouth. You still have things.
Ah!
So you finish with you? No, I'm gonna look at Shauna. You see Shauna cry. Why your eyes so red?
Tap out, man.
Me tap up.
Bad man.
Me need something for drink.
Alright, so Virus won.
Virus win. Eat 12 crackers.
Sean comes second, and I'm the ultimate winner.
Virus is the winner. Almost had him on the last leg. But if me I gotta be honest with you, no, I'd with 2 of them crackers in my pocket.
You started 3, quick one down. Tell me to Sean at 3 too. So me say, Sean can't bad so. That's why me I say draw. Cause me I say, me 3 fast quick. Cause me say me I take a lead. And them look Sean every same amount like me say no sir, something not right there you know.
You know, me never realize. Oh, well, what kind of judge are you? You're supposed to be watching. We are eating my crackers too.
You know, man, still eat crackers, you know.
You're hungry.
Virus, how you do it?
When I'm small, I never have much to eat. So the most I use is crackers, trust me, and bag juice. One bag juice or 2-3 pack of crackers is one bag juice. No, serious. No, I really think. Me used to eat one bag juice. And when the 3 pack of crackers done, the bag juice now with 3/4. I just wet my beak with them and just eat. That's serious. And every morning I eat crackers. Every morning. Sometimes sauce crackers with nothing and sometimes with porridge. Every morning. But sure, I love crackers, trust me.
So,
It is clear because you still eat mine.
feel like eat all the crackers.
I'm gonna drink it now.
But I rush it in plate.
Wow.
I'm gonna drink it now.
You
My strategy.
tell me about you now. You're still left with 6 crackers in your plate.
So yeah.
Before Virus eat 4 of them.
So you know, I was trying to go like slow and steady because you know I didn't want to start off too fast and then choke. I was trying to go slow and pick up, but then it just wasn't picking up.
Not a marathon, it's a sprint.
It wasn't picking up. Like I had no more saliva in my throat. Like I didn't even realize that it's that.
Here what? I'm gonna eat the last one just for one. Because I didn't pack it and that never fear. So we're gonna have this last one just for you guys. If you want to have the last one, subscribe. Subscribe and like the video and share it. Send it to somebody. Send it to your friends, send it to your family.
And try it. Try this.
And listen.
option.
If you want to see me 2 pack without no drinking nothing, subscribe and say yes. You want to see it for the next show. Me eat 2 pack of this without drink nothing. It will take more than the 15 minutes. But me can eat 2 pack of this and not drink nothing. So if you want to see it, on the talk.
No man, something I go under your throat. I mean I know about it.
Comment, if you like to see that.
I'm going to take too much water too.
No sir. I could have never you just eat mackerel and dumpling.
I miss the one.
You're hungry.
Nobody but me try.
Guys, belly never full. And come here and eat from mine. You must save them belly for tonight. You don't eat nothing from mine.
I'm glad so you clean up my plate though. That did I go waste?
Here what? You put one more in the next pocket.
Sean, it's a thief. Sean, why is a thief? Listen. You say every game I play with him, him cheat me in the game.
Here what?
I'm wrong. Me take it back from me wrong.
No, but guys, you were watching the entire time. You need to tell me if you spot when he put it in his pocket. Did you spot when he put it on me?
Comment. Let them know when I put the crackers in my pocket. Comment the time when we put the crackers in my pocket.
You take up 2 one time. And drop one in the pocket and one time.
Like, I did not see that. I'm on the side of you. Hey, you're crook, you know?
You have to make it in a life somehow. You know, so I can't do it though. You know, I'm never try. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Let us know if you want to see Virus eat 2 pack of crackers, no water. Let me know if you want to see that. How much time you need?
2 pack, need an hour.
1 hour for eat 2 pack of crackers. Alright, well, let me know in the comment section if you'd like to see Virus eat 2 pack of crackers, no water, no drinks.
No. 1 pack almost done, and I'm alone eat. You eat 2 other ones left.
But no matter what kind of hunger you go through, don't try this without some water. It's raw. Unless you have virus.
You have to know how to bring up your saliva to keep the crackers moisture. If you can't do that, dog name is up. Without dry and black your throat and can't go down. So you have to have this saliva to keep it moisture.
So you bring up the saliva for it.
You have to always have saliva in your throat.
Oh, you get it always in there.
You always have to do it. Once you drink a lot of fuel, that's why you see me that I drink a lot before me start, so you keep your throat moisture. The longer you take to drink, I dry your throat get.
Yeah.
So you have to drink before you contest, so your throat keep moisture.
So grease it.
Yeah, so if you stay too long, like I said, 2 hours ago before you drink something, your throat dry, thirsty. So you have to drink something before the contest, So your throat moisture. Yes.
So there you have it. You have to drink something before, so your throat keep moisture.
Alright. I tried. Let me know if you have another competition or another challenge you'd like me to do and see if I can win this one. Until next time, we'll see you again.
Ciao, ciao.